Due to the increasing use of technology, it feels quite impossible to know that some parts of the planet are still unexplored and covered in mysteries. The lesser you know about these destinations, the more you crave for it. So in today's video, we will be showing you top 10 forbidden places you're not allowed to visit. Without further ado, let's begin. LASCAUX Caves, France. The LASCAUX Caves is a treasure trove for archaeologists around the globe. The cave complex contains prehistoric paintings that are 17,300 years old. The series of Paleolithic paintings that looks hauntingly vivid hugs the walls and depicts animals like cattle, stags, bison, and many more. Sadly, the cave is closed to the general public since 1963. Archaeologists believe that human presence might destroy the ancient work of art. North Sentinel Island, India. Home to the Sentinelese tribe, the North Sentinel Island in the Andaman chain is one of the forbidden islands in the world. The people inhabiting the island often get violent to safeguard their isolation. The Sentinelese tribe have lived on the island for over 50,000 years under the protection of the Indian government. This region is strictly prohibited for visitors of any kind and is one of the most dangerous and forbidden places in the world. SURTSEY Island, Iceland. SURTSEY, volcanic island off the southern coast of Iceland, southwest of the Vestmanna Islands, Vestmannaeyjar. It emerged from the Atlantic Ocean in a fiery eruption in November 1963. During the next 3.5 years, its volcanic core built up an island 1 square mile, 2.5 square kilometers in area. With elevations reaching 560 feet, 171 meters, above sea level and 950 feet, 290 meters above the ocean floor. Since then, erosion has reduced the elevation of the island to 505 feet, 154 meters above sea level and trimmed its area of 0.54 square miles, 1.4 square kilometers, as of 2008. At the height of its eruption, the column of steam nearly 4 miles, 6 kilometers, high rained ash over a large area, including the Vestmanna Islands. After SURTSEY cooled, numerous geologists, biologists, and ecologists visited it, and it is now the site of a long-term biological research program being conducted by Icelandic and American scientists. Ise Grand Shrine, Japan. The Ise Grand Shrine, or Ise Jingu, located in the heart of a sacred forest in the Mie Prefecture of Japan, is the most important Shinto shrine in the country and is dedicated to the sun god Amaterasu, with a separate shrine dedicated to Toyoki, the food goddess. First built in 4 BCE, the present-day structures are based on the buildings erected in the 7th century CE. Uniquely, 16 of the 125 buildings at the sprawling complex, as well as the Uju Bridge and Torii Gateway, are rebuilt exactly every 20 years, the last occasion being 2013. Ise Jingu is the ancestral shrine of the emperors of Japan. DULCE Base, USA. The quaint desert hamlet of Dulce, New Mexico has fewer than 3,000 residents. It doesn't even have a traffic light. But the unassuming little community is a hotbed for ufologists and alien conspiracy theorists who all believe that below the town is a secret 7-story military facility known as DULCE Base. While tales of the unexplained centered around the regional deserts are nothing new, the legends of a New Mexico alien base picked up steam in the 1970s. It began with a state trooper who spotted a strange craft in the sky and mutilated cattle on the ground in Dulce, New Mexico. He also found gas masks nearby, which he believes indicated government involvement. Heard Island, Australia. The little-known landmass, Heard Island, hides in dense clouds for around 360 days a year. The rare few who do research this distant wonder are more likely to hear the gurgling of molten rock bubbling up through this island's violent core. The active volcano of Heard Island, known as Big Ben, is adorned with vast glaciers stretching to the crashing waves of the ocean far below. At a soaring 2,745 meters, it is 517 meters taller than Mount Kosciuszko, giving it the little-known title of the tallest mountain known in Australian-owned territory, excluding Antarctica. Heard Island takes 7 days to reach by boat from Fremantle. The 4,000-kilometer journey over rough, stormy seas is usually undertaken by a fisherman and the occasional research scientist. Doug Thost, a former glaciologist with the Australian Antarctic Division, which administers the island, has made the journey twice. He described it as a danger and a privilege. Doomsday Vault, Norway. The Doomsday Vault is a seed bank situated in the heart of the Arctic Svalbard archipelago. This is a secure vault that preserves a variety of plant seeds. It is an attempt to safeguard the seeds in case of an apocalyptic or global crisis. From every nook and corner of the globe, crates of seeds are sent to the Doomsday Vault for long-term storage. The vault is only open to special guests on specific days. Snake Island, Brazil. One of the shores of Brazil, almost 93 miles away from downtown São Paulo, is Ilha da Queimada Grande, also known as Snake Island. The island is untouched by human developers for a good reason. Researchers estimate that on the island live between 1 and 5 snakes per square meter. The snakes live on as many migratory birds, enough to keep the snake's density remarkably high, that use the island as a resting point. Between 1 and 5 snakes per square kilometer might not be so terrible if the snakes were, say, 2 inches long and non-venomous. The snakes on Queimada Grande, however, are a unique species of pit viper, the golden lancehead. The lancehead genus of the snake is the result of 90% of Brazilian snake bites related to fatalities. The golden lanceheads that occupy Snake Island grow as well over half a meter long, and they possess a powerful fast-acting venom that melts the flesh around the bites. Area 51, USA. Area 51, secret U.S. Air Force military installation located at Groom Lake in southern Nevada. It is administered by Edward Air Force Base in Southern California. The installation has been the focus of numerous conspiracies involving extraterrestrial life, though its only confirmed use is a flight testing facility. For years, there was speculation about the installation, especially amid growing reports of UFO sightings in the vicinity. The site became known as Area 51, which was its designation on maps of the Atomic Energy Commission. Conspiracy theories gained support in the late 1980s when a man alleging to have worked at the installation claimed that the government was examining recovered alien spacecrafts. Tomb of Qin Shi Huang, China. The mausoleum of China's first emperor Qin Shi Huang, buried deep underneath a pyramid for more than 2,000 years. It is one of the greatest discoveries of all time, but remains a mystery for historians and archaeologists. The contents of the tomb are mostly sealed and unexplored. It is said that the burial complex comprises of various things that Qin Shi Huang will need in the afterlife. To pay respects to the ancient site, the Chinese government had provided excavation of the tomb of Qin Shi Huang and is one of the most forbidden places in the world. So guys, let me know down in the comments section below what one of them you like the most. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.